Hello, my name is Tammy Knuble, or as my students call me, Miss Tami. I have been teaching creative and modern dance to children for 21 years, and it has brought me incredible joy and purpose in life. A few years ago, I began to think more and more about my belief that all children have a right to dance, regardless of socioeconomic level or geographical location. Moving and dancing is an inherent part of our being. A child's first movements are the beginnings of their own dance. As they accomplish the ability to stand, they immediately begin to bend their knees up and down to their own rhythm. About 6 months ago, I shared an idea with a dear friend and fellow dance educator. The idea of a children's creative dance video that would be available online at zero cost to everyone. I told her I wanted it to be set in a living room rather than a dance studio, so that every child felt like they belonged, that there would be no limits to their vision as an active and worthy participant in the class. Please understand, I still place immense value and worth in the dance studio setting. I am a former studio owner myself, and I continue to teach at a local dance studio. I simply want to increase the availability to more children. With our current situation that we are all in with COVID-19, I realized now was the time. Children have been taken out of school and extracurricular activities, away from friends and teachers, and they want to continue to explore, create, and discover. So with the help of my husband and children and our simple camera, here is your invitation to come create movement with your child. Communicate in new ways, and discover the creativity and imagination inside a child's mind. The class is geared toward ages 3 to 5, but it is very adaptable to younger and older children. It will be beneficial to the child if a parent or older sibling is available to participate with them. Dance is a social art, and therefore moving together creates an increased experience and joy. If this is not possible, that's okay. Please let them watch and move. For those not familiar with creative dance, it is an exploration of movement through a child's own creativity and imagination. Creative dance uses movement which comes naturally to a child, such as jumping, hopping, galloping, and skipping, as well as variations in space, time, and energy. The classes will also involve counting, colors, basic learning in the sciences, such as metamorphosis, for example, moving through the stages of a caterpillar to the still chrysalis, to the emerging butterfly. Making shapes with letters of the alphabet, shape recognition of triangles, rectangles, squares, using parts of the body to create those shapes. Recognition of feelings and emotions and expressing those, and so forth. It is about educating the whole child. I have always loved using children's picture books as part of my lessons. I am working to find out if this will be a possibility for these classes based on copyright. Please understand, this is new for myself and my family. I graduated with a degree in modern dance 24 years ago, and I've been teaching for 21 consecutive years. I have taught dance at an exclusive private school here in Utah, as well as opening a dance studio that is now in its 16th year of operation. I would feel completely at ease to walk into a studio full of children with zero preparation and jump into an exciting hour of dance. However, this, teaching as I look at a camera with no children, is very new. But children are stuck in their homes right now, and they need an outlet. When I saw Jimmy Fallon in his home with The Tonight Show written on simple paper by his sweet children, I realized we're all in this together, giving what we individually love doing without worry of how perfect or professional the camera work may be, but that it be a genuine effort to bring joy to our fellow human beings. I realized how beautiful it is that we are being real with each other. I have zero hesitance to do this if that is the goal, to reach people for the pure purpose of sharing and hopefully bringing joy and discovery. Welcome to Moving with Miss Tami.